Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. I've got this engine and I was working yesterday. I showed on a couple of videos before. 997 Mark II. That's the one in the car. That's the black car on the hoist there on the left. Alright, I just finished cleaning it thoroughly. And I just got some air lines and blow all the connections out, dry it out all the connections, make sure there's no water inside them and the vacuum lines, just double checking. I've actually blocked everything I can, just with tape, even this one here, so no water can get in. Yeah, gonna leave it in the sun to dry a little bit. Here in Australia it's really hot, the sun, so probably half an hour in the sun with the whole thing be all dried. Alright, properly, so yeah, ready to install now, so just gonna put it underneath the car later on and then get my torch and double check everything. Make sure all the connections, vacuum lines, breather lines, coolant hoses, everything that's tight, or the clips like that, make sure they're all tight even though I didn't touch it. Just go through the whole thing again. Actually, maybe I might ask the customer. Let me see. Yeah, as you can see, it's all nice and clean. Even here, because I took that pipe off. Actually, I cleaned that pipe from the front. I put some brake clean on that part there, and I tried to clean the pipe, and all the oil went on the actual oil separator there, which is the brand new one there. That's a brand new oil separator. Yeah, so just gonna leave it in the sun to dry a little bit, and then I'll put it back in the car and see how I go. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.